The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake, until 4:15 p.m. At 3 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near O'Hare Airport to 10 nautical miles west of Midway Airport, moving east-southeast at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, Calumet Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Burnham Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Cloud-to-water lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.